Coach Vigue's 2 best-selling books make great gifts. Order below.
Good day, my friends. It's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. This is a series of hamstring stretches to loosen up your hamstrings, your calves, and even up into your low back and back. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. All body weight, no weights, no machines. We can do these anywhere at any time. What a glorious, glorious gift that is, like the sun pouring down onto Coach Vigue. Let's begin in downward facing dog. Modify as needed. Spread the fingers wide. Come on up. We're going to sink the heels down. If you need to modify, bring the knees down. Sink them down with the exhale. With the inhale, come up onto your tippy toes a little bit. Take the intensity off and then exhale, stretch. It's good to be warmed up before you do these exercises, before you do these stretches. Tuck the chin, in the nose, out the nose. 2 more breaths. Excellent. One more time. You can always hold these stretches individually as long as you wish. All right, knees down. Classic hurdle stretch. Bring that left leg forward, or right leg if you want to see me. It's snowy and cold, but warm in the sun. How about that? That's Colorado. Foot in here. We'd line up right off this leg. You can bend this knee as much as you wish. With the exhale, stretch forward. We're going to do a little more active stretching here. So as you inhale, bend the knee. Exhale, relax the back of the knee down, tuck the chin. Effective stretching and flexibility training requires the entire body and breath working together. But once you cue them up, once you connect them together, it is a beautiful experience. You will actually stretch so much more effectively in a flow, and it will feel a lot better too. You'll have a purpose. Draw these toes towards you if you want to stretch the calf as well. 2 more breaths. I can also slide the hands here. Soften that knee, and then hinge up and over. Hold for an extra breath. Oh, I love these. Just love them. Let's go to the other leg. I'm going to turn this way because the sun is there. Always go towards the lighting. Here we are. So hurdle stretch on the other side. Relax those toes, or again, draw them towards you. A little more of a stretch. I don't want any notes to blow away there. That would be terrible. Good. So inhale, lift nice and tall. The spine is releasing, getting that elasticity in the spine, and then hinging it forward. Tuck the chin. I really wanted to get out here ASAP and film this for you because we're losing the light. Of course, without the sun, there's still light, but this is the best. We want the sunlight on us. Kind of mimics the glow these kind of stretches give our bodies. All right, 2 more breaths. Good. Find where you are in the stretch. Always find that threshold. All right, hold it here for an extra breath. Ooh, okay, I'm going to turn it back around. Shake out the arms and the legs. Ooh. All right. Now, this is called a Heron stretch. H-E-R-O-N, Heron. It's a variation of it. I want you to bring this left leg in, bend it, extend the right leg up. We're going to grab it. Grab it where you can. Definitely a little more advanced. If it's too much, stick with the hurdle stretch we were doing. With the exhale, stretch that leg, drop the shoulders. You could lift up and over the leg, but keep the posture. There we are. We come up like this. It makes our core work a little bit more, our balance. This is the first version of the Heron stretch. I'm going to show you another more advanced one in just a little bit. So hang tight and keep breathing. 1 more breath. Let me turn a little bit more towards the sun. There we are, all the way down here. It creeps into the glutes, into the low back. Everybody's happy. All right. Now back to hurdle, or come on up, Heron. In the nose, out the nose. Make that breath very effective. Breathe into the ribs with the inhale, and as you exhale, think of wringing out a wet washcloth. You can also grab the feet, or the foot. This foot here. Oh, that's good. Relax my shoulders. Come on, Coach Vigue, relax those shoulders. You get to hear my voice, and luckily I get to hear my own voice too saying that. Stretch it out. Beautiful. Shake out the arms and legs. A reverse hurdle stretch. Just hitting all the big ones here, aren't we? All the big ones. I'll tell you what, let's do the left leg forward. You're gonna bend this knee right here. Too much, go back to the original hurdle stretch. I got you covered. Let's do 5 breaths. Hinge forward if you want to add that little bit of a knee bend. Exhale, press it down. Good. Getting a nice quad stretch into the IT band here. Good. Work through it. Every stretch is going to affect you very differently. Physical factors, environmental factors, mental factors, whatever you got coming into this, whatever you bring to this mat, you're going to have to work through it as you go through the stretches. But it sure is fun to strip away these things that are blocking us. And that's definitely what a good stretch routine can do. Okay, now the full Heron stretch. Bring this leg in. Extend this leg up, and there we go. I'm going to bring this in a little bit closer and extend. 5 breaths. Each exhale, lengthen, draw the toes towards you. Inhale, soften. This is a new one. Write this one down in the Coach Vigue canon, the repertoire. I was practicing this last night. It's always fun. It's like a dress rehearsal. I practice these stretches the night before usually. Excellent. Ooh, let's switch it to the other side. Where did I have you? Okay, so we got the other leg forward, turn in. The reverse hurdle. When you're ready, 5 breaths in the nose, out the nose. Think of this as a massage. Massage for your hamstrings and calves and back. And when you get forward, when you come forward like this, tuck that chin. You're gonna feel an extra stretch. It goes into your middle and upper back and neck. Don't go away. These notes fly away, the neighbors are gonna get it, and they'll be doing their own hamstring videos, and they'll show me up. Then we got a problem. Stretch it out, my friends. Oh, good stuff. All right, take it up a notch. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna grab my foot on this one. So here we are. Sometimes people bring the heel underneath the glute. I'm gonna keep it out here, a little more of a stretch on the quad and the knee. Bring this leg as high as you can, find that threshold, and work from there. I guarantee you will surprise yourself with consistency in these stretches and what you can do. Alrighty then, very nice. Let's go for the all levels shakeout. Shake out the arms and the legs. All right, let's finish with down dog. I wrote out a lot of hamstring stretches. I'll definitely add some more videos with these. There's always more. But I like these bite-sized nuggets we get. 10, 15 minutes is perfect. To practice, practice, practice. All right, down dog, you can hold it. I'm gonna walk the legs this time. It's a Coach Vigue favorite, walking slowly. It encourages blood flow and circulation through the body. And once that blood flow starts, our mood enhances. We start feeling better. When we're cold and rigid, nope. The mind doesn't like that. The mind will shut down. It will shower your body with a lot of negative thoughts. Once things start moving, the mind gets excited. Mind and body connection. Working together. Let's do 2 more breaths. Stretch out the shoulders, the arms, tuck the chin. Woo-wee. All right. Knees down. Excellent work, my friends. There's the setup there. It's Coach Vigue, Vogue but with an I. If this workout or stretch helped you, please consider hitting that subscribe button, clicking the like button, and sharing it with your friends, family, teammates, coaches, teachers, but never, ever, ever share these with your rivals. You don't want them to know about this, but maybe I do. Well, hello, it's Coach Vigue again. I want to offer you a very special free 30-minute yoga flow routine from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. Oh, all you have to do is click the link below in the About section, put in your email, and zing! The video is all yours. 30 minutes of unfiltered Coach Vigue right in your inbox. Click that link right now.